Ndewo ndị be anyị nọ na kanal Igbotutorials. Aha m bụ Nwada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. How have you been? In today's lesson, we are going to talk about something different. I'm going to discuss with you guys on one of the most important and interesting traditions of the Igbo language. But before I begin, before I tell you the topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Share my video to those you think it might be of interest to, and press the notification button for future videos. So, today's topic is Ọmụgwọ. Okay, Ọmụgwọ. Ọmụgwọ is postnatal care. Okay, so the Igbos, we observe this beautiful tradition called Ọmụgwọ. And what is it? It is just a period of time where the mother of a woman who just gave birth to a child comes to stay and help the woman to take care of the child and herself. Okay, so it is usually, who are those that participate in this Ọmụgwọ season? The mother, that is the woman that just gave birth, her child, the mother of the woman, that is the grandmother to the child, the husband of the woman, and everybody in the house literally participates. So the mother comes, and the things that she brings are, example, ji, which is yam, oda, uziza, these are hot local spices, uziza, otaze, azumbo, which is dry fish, okporoko, stocked fish, dry meat in some cases, and so on and so forth, and other local food. The mother of the woman who just gave birth has to come with all these foodstuffs because she has to use it and prepare food for the new mother to regain back her strength. What are the tasks of the woman when she comes? When the grandma comes, she bathes the newborn baby. She, in some cases, also bathes the mother and help her regain her strength. She cooks for the new mother, and she helps to take care of the house, the day-to-day running of the house, which the mother of the house usually does before she put to bed, but now can't do anymore and needs her strength. Okay, so when the Ọmụgwọ period is over, when the grandma is going, it is expected that her care and love be reciprocated. Although nothing you give can be enough, or it's like you are paying her off, but it's just a thing of appreciation for all her effort. So when the time has come for her to go, which is usually around 3 to 6 months, it depends on the family, it depends on the mother, it depends on the woman and their capabilities. But in most cases, it's expected that you buy for the woman, you buy for her wrappers, jewelries, bags of salt, bags of rice, tomato pastes, bar soaps, toiletries, and so on and so forth. But these are the basics, but you can buy as much as you are capable of buying. Oh, okay. So what other facts? I'm thinking of other facts about this Ọmụgwọ that needs to be observed. As I already said, she is expected to stay up to 3 or 6 months. Again, if the mother of the woman that gave to birth is no longer alive, the elder sister can come or the aunt can come. In these cases, if none of these ladies are available, the mother-in-law can come and do this ritual of Ọmụgwọ for this woman. No matter how, somebody has to come and take care of this woman and the child, which is one of the beautiful cultures, one of the many beauty in the culture of the Igbo language, which I love, because unlike the Western world where everyone is on their own, in the Igbo culture, if you give birth, you have help all around you and you don't have to worry most of the time. So this is just it for this lesson, not a lesson, but just a little enlightenment on the beautiful Igbo culture. If you know of any other fact that I skipped in this video or you think should be mentioned, please write in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. That's it for today's lesson. I am still blessing if home. Subscribe, share, like, hit the notification button. Till next time, in the bye, come messiano.